Welcome to Unit. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to set up and manage referral invites to build your team on the platform. Let's get started. To manage your referral invites, you'll first need to set up an invite quota. This quota determines the number of people you can invite. To start, navigate to your profile section from the sidebar and select Team. This will bring you to the Team dashboard. Next, go to Settings to adjust your invite quota. Here, you can see the number of available invites left. If this count shows 0, your referral link will be inactive until you add more. To increase your invites, select the number you'd like to add. For every 1,000 invites, 1 unit token will be deducted from your balance to support your invitee's deposit process. Adding more invites will reactivate your referral link, enabling you to bring in new users. And remember, the more people you invite, the greater the rewards you'll receive. And that's it. Once your invite quota is set, you're ready to share your referral link and start building your team. On the bottom left of the sidebar or on the team page, you'll find options to copy the link or share it directly on messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, or social media. If your invitee doesn't have the link but knows your user ID, they can still register by entering your ID during sign-up. Just remind them to input your user ID when creating their account. Building your team on Unit is simple and rewarding. By sharing your referral link, you're not only growing your network, but also unlocking additional benefits as your team expands. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we're excited to see your community thrive on Unit.